whispering because I don't want to be too loud. This is a room tour of our suite. We're in room 1209. Come on. And let's give you guys an idea of what you get with the Junior Bayview suite. So we'll start off with the closet. Plenty of room for what you would need for a stay. On the opposite side is the bathroom. Turn the lights on here. And you get the usual water, blankets, towels. Scales. There's your shower. Bathtub, which, by the way, has an opening that looks into the living room, and there is a curtain that you can pull down if in the event you need privacy. Here's the toilet. And let's just go out. Full length mirror. Of course, this is the sitting area. And you have items here, including water. A work area with a TV and a desk. And it does come stocked with some drinks. Now, of course, we added the candies and so forth, but you get your choice of wines, sparkling water. There's some gin, rum, vodka, tonic, soft drinks, and so forth. And no, it is not complimentary, but there is a price sheet, as you can see here. It provides you with, you've got some auxiliary plugs, USB network cables to connect cables and so forth. There are some additional snacks that you can get for a fee. Some candies, nuts, gummies, wine. There's the TV again. A work area. And of course, there's the bed. King size. Which again looks right into the bathroom. And of course, as I indicated, this drawstring here makes it possible for you to pull down. And if you need privacy, you can certainly get that. Some water. And then of course, this is a suite with a bay view, so let's take a look at the view. Just pretty nice. It's pretty active right now. Very nice view. Of course, you have the entire balcony, and of course this goes into the living area. So if for whatever reason you're considering wanting to spend a few nights at the Mandarin Oriental Miami, hopefully this will provide you with some idea of what to expect if you decide to book a few nights. Hope this helps.